Hello everybody, now I am conducting class 1 GK class. Again I am repeating now I am conducting class 1 GK class. Today we will learn something new. Everybody open page number 27 and start to repeat after me. In the news, the mascot for the 2016 Summer Olympic Games in Rio de Janeiro has been named Vinicius, and that of the ensuring Paralympic Games at the same venue was Tom. Okay, the mascot for 2016 Summer Olympic Games in Rio de Janeiro has been named Vinicius, and that of the ensuring Paralympic Games at the same venue was Tom. So, what we have learned, the mascot of 2016 Summer Olympic, that where it has been conducted in Rio de Janeiro. And what was his name? Vinicius. And that of ensuring Paralympic Games at the venue, same venue, name, what was the name? That name was Tom. Very good. As per latest official count, India is home to 2,967 tigers, representing 75% of the global population of the endangered big cat species. Okay, the number is highest, that is 2,967. Okay, Virat Kohli wins the Gurfeed Sobers, and it has been already important thing, because Gurfeed Sobers Trophy for ICC cricketer in the year 2018. Again, Virat Kohli wins the Gurfeed Sobers Trophy for ICC cricketer in the year 2018. That is also one of the most important prestigious trophy. Come to the next point. India's 11th president, very important and very really heartbroken news. 11th President APJ Abdul Kalam died on 27th July 2015 at a hospital in Meghalaya, where he had gone to deliver a lecture. He was 83. Really very heartbroken. He is known as the Missile Man, and he died at the age of 83 and at the hospital in Meghalaya. This page you will learn today, only this page you will learn small question answers I will provide you in the next class. First, before you learn all these small things, repeatedly learn, and then you will get the proper information. Okay, come to the next page, the sound of the music. Okay, the sound of the music is what? Page number 28. Music means what? The most beautiful thing, or the most beautiful, we all like three things: music, flower, and a baby. So these three are the beautiful creature of God. And music is also sound. This beautiful sound we hear when the musical instruments like guitar, piano, tabla is played, because everything, flute, that all these things have different rhythm. So number one, there is a picture, Ringo. So Ringo, number one, what is this? Yes, this is drum. Number two, what is this? Number two, can you see the number two? Number B, what is this? That is playing the trumpet. Who is playing the trumpet? Who is playing the trumpet? There is a picture given. The person, Eric, who is playing the trumpet? The picture has been given already. The person though who is playing the trumpet. And next, who is dash? Dash is playing the trumpet. Who is playing the trumpet? You can see who is playing the trumpet. Next, Dash is playing the guitar. Who is playing the guitar over here? You can see that some person is playing the guitar. Who is playing the guitar over here? That is number B, Eric. Dash is playing the sitar. Who is playing the sitar? We all know the most important person in our country, and he is really honored all through the world. Who is playing the sitar? Who is playing the sitar? Yes, that is Ravi Shankar ji. Dash is playing the piano. Who is playing the piano? You can see from here, Dash is playing the piano. That is Elton. Who is playing the piano? Who is playing the piano? Elton. Dash is playing the tabla. Yes, famous Zakir Hussain. We all know the most renowned person, Mr. Zakir Hussain, is playing the tabla. So these questions, numbers I will provide you, and you will note down it in your copy, okay? So, sorry, in your book. You will complete it in your book, and next class I will, along with that question answers, I will provide these options also. Before that, you will do it by yourself. Give CW and today's date and do it, okay? Up to that, stay tuned. Bye bye. Wait for the next class.